Let's go, Lisa.
Tell me you're in Thailand without telling me you're in Thailand.
Isn't it salty? You're a pretty safe crocodile, aren't you? You're a good boy. Yeah. You're a good boy. Oh, does that feel good?
Очень круто, мне очень нравится, но почему ты без шапки? Скажи мне, пожалуйста.
Say hi.
What is that, George?
The fact that I let him get my free ride breeches dirty should speak volumes about how I feel about you. No, that's my okay.
I'm fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some.
Oh Lord, he's getting ready to go again. Uh-oh, he's backing up. Oh man.
Thank you.
Wow.
No, I think
Here. Do you like that?
Yeah, tell the puppy you love him. I love him. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same.
Oh, no.